part 2 on helicopter flying lesson. And, yeah, so gonna there you go, and we're up, and we're up. As you can see, just where that red dot light is, that's where the helicopter is. Okay, so we're back again, and this is what I'm going to show you what the helicopter actually looks like. It's a little model, and it's quite a good little helicopter. So yeah, and I'm going to show you the remote, which is alright. So this here is the throttle. You can see that. Yeah, it doesn't really fly that good, but still, you know, you can and the battery on it does go pretty quick. And there you go, as you see, the throttle's full up, the battery's out. So this is how you charge it, obviously. Get it? And obviously there's a little hole right there. And you get this as you pull it out from in there. And then you grab it. And then it plugs straight in like that, and then you turn this switch over to the 0, so slide it across, and when that red light comes on and starts flashing, that means it's charging. That's it on the heli flying. I'll do some more videos next time. Please subscribe, rate. This is on phone, so that's the helicopter. Thanks guys, please rate, subscribe and comment on that, and go through the rest of my YouTube videos, and I'll call them. Some of them are funny, some of them are normal. There's a Flappy Birds one which is on tablet, iPad. Funny, I got one video title wrong, so thanks guys, bye.